Hey, you sexy bitches, let's eat a little snacky. Of course, we have the Thackies and the jalapeno poppers, but the bacon kind of flew off, and that's okay. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a hoe by its tail. All right, now we're gonna go for the Mr. Big Boy. I don't know why I'm out of breath and shaky. What the fuck? But okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I bit my fucking finger. I had to run inside to get a little Coke. I mean, Dr. Pepper. My bad. My mouth's on fire. My neighbor's saying hi.